So for this recipe, I'm using full cream milk. This is the brand I'm using, but you could use almond milk or soy milk. I'm going to use 300 ml of this, just over a glass. And then I've got very ripe bananas, just 2, and these are frozen. And I'm going to cut it up and add it to the mixture. I'm using this high protein Future Life, which is packed with nutritional benefits, and I'm using 3 scoops of this. So here I have 3 tablespoons of regular oats, 3 tablespoons of Future Life high protein smart food, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 3 dates. I'm using medjool dates. These have a seed in it and I have de-seeded it. So I'm going to add all of these ingredients into the blender and blend it until it's smooth. I've added all the ingredients into the blender, so I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. Once it's blended, pour it into your glass and enjoy. Thank you for watching.